guys, I'm Deeksha Shetty. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be unboxing a beautiful Bollywood replica saree from JOMSO. This is a highly requested video, guys, and not a sponsored one. So without wasting time, let's get started. Let's see how the product is. This is how JOMSO does its packaging. I have done a lot of unboxing videos from JOMSO. If you guys want to check it, I'm going to link everything in my description box. So this is the saree, guys. I'll show you guys the display picture. This is how the saree should look. This is what Deepika is wearing, what I received. The saree looks really good, and I think you get it in 3 or 4 colors. Yes, you get it in a black, blue and a red. First, let me show you guys the blouse fabric. They've given this Bangalore silk fabric for the blouse, and it's just plain. It's a little see-through, so you'll have to get a lining attached. Just plain, guys. And then they've included this piece of fabric. It's a velvet fabric, and then there is this beautiful embroidery design in zari and golden and black. The design, if you see, is very beautifully made, very nice, very well made. And on the other side, you will not see any random threads here and there. So the finishing is really good. And this is actually going to be the sleeve part. Like in the picture, Deepika is wearing like a full sleeve, and this comes near her wrist part. This is how it is going to look. There's about 0.80 meter of fabric for the blouse, so I'm not sure if you can get like full sleeves made out of this. So personally, what I would actually do is like buy a separate velvet fabric for the blouse and get it stitched. Anyways, I really love the blouse zari design over here. Now coming to the saree, this is just a plain striped saree, and the fabric used here is crepe satin. So this is how it looks, and there's like minute thread detailing which is going on if my camera is focusing that. Very soft fabric, guys, really very nice. I really loved it. And to the border, they've given this satin blue color fabric, which is really nice. I liked it. It's very simple but still elegant. So I'm going to try it on and show it to you guys. I really like the saree. It's a very simple saree. Comparison, guys, the picture shown in the website and what I received is almost the same. The saree looks exactly the same. The only thing is blouse looks like she's wearing a velvet blouse, and the design, the golden design which I got looks like silver. But other than that, everything is like perfect. I really like the fabric of the saree, very soft and nice. You can actually wear it for like small parties. I would like to rate it 3.5 out of 5, guys. I'm going to deduct 1 because of the blouse fabric. I wish it was velvet. Coming to the price, guys, the original price of this was 3,249, and the discounted price is just 1,649, which I think is a little on a pricier side. If you guys want to shop this, I'm going to give the link in my description box, or else you can directly type this product code on www.jomso.com. Now they do have cash on delivery option, guys. They do ship worldwide for an extra shipping charge, and many of you keep asking me about their return policy. It's super simple, guys. Once you receive the product, if you didn't like it, or if the quality is not good, if you receive a wrong or a defective product, what you'll have to do is within 7 days of receiving the product, mail them. They're going to arrange for a return. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, do let me know in the comment section below, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and share. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.